In his will, Alfred Nobel established that the prizes should be given to a person that has made the greatest contribution to mankind in each of the 5 fields of his prizes. That's physics, chemistry, physiology or medicine, literature and peace. Now, but there are little known nuances when it comes to the 3 science prizes, physics, chemistry and physiology. Nobel wrote for physics should be awarded the greatest discovery or invention. For chemistry, he wrote discovery of improvement. But for physiology or medicine, he only wrote discovery. And the institutions that award these prizes have taken this to heart. So that is why you will always find more practical applications awarded among the physics and chemistry prizes. For physiology or medicine, the focus is greater on discovery of some breakthrough that pushes a new basic concept in medicine or physiology.